Hi, friends, welcome back. I'm Alice, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Today, we're talking about a beautiful situation hosting a friend, welcoming someone to your home.
Hosting can feel exciting and sometimes a little nervous.
Yes? What do I say? How do I sound friendly? Don't worry. We'll practice together.
Imagine your friend rings the bell. Ding dong.
You open the door with a smile and say, "Hey, I'm so glad you're here. Come on in."
Let's learn three useful phrases. 1. Make yourself at home, meaning relax, feel comfortable. 2. Can I take your bag? Meaning you want to help. 3. Let me show you around, meaning you will show the house. Repeat with us.
Come on in.
Make yourself at home. In English, hosts often use gentle, friendly voices. Not too fast, not too formal.
Haha. We want guests to feel welcome, like family.
Now, the guest sits on the sofa. What do you say?
You can ask, "Would you like something to drink? Tea, coffee, or water?"
And if you have snacks, help yourself. Please try some idiom time.
Break the ice, meaning make conversation easier and more relaxed.
Asking simple questions helps. Break the ice. Repeat with us.
Would you like something to drink?
Help yourself. Small talk is simple conversation.
You can ask, "How was your trip? How have you been? Anything new lately?"
And to respond politely, it was great, thanks. I've been good. It's nice to see you. How have you been?
It's nice to see you.
Small talk is not deep, but it builds connection.
Last month, my friend visited after a long time.
He felt shy at first.
So I said, "Make yourself at home. I'm really happy you're here."
Slowly, he relaxed. We talked, laughed, and shared tea.
Sometimes a kind sentence can change everything.
When it's time to leave, you can say, "Thanks for coming. It was great having you here. Let's do this again soon." Repeat with us.
Thanks for coming.
Let's do this again soon.
Hosting is not about a perfect home.
It's about a warm heart, soft voice, and simple English.
You're doing great. Keep practicing.
We're proud of you. See you next time.